Hi everyone, today we're going to make chicken doner or chicken shawarma at home. So these are my chicken thighs which are already been marinated. I left it here in the fridge for around 1 day. You can leave it for 3 hours, it doesn't matter, but I left it for 1 day to let the flavour soak in. So what you need is tandoori masala, garam masala, onion powder, garlic powder, bit of chili powder and a bit of lemon juice and a bit of vinegar. And you just basically add that in and mix it all in like this. You can use already pre-made marinade if you want. Tandoori masala marinade you can get from any store. Next I'll show you how to prepare this. So first you need tin foil roasting dish. Tin foil roasting dish to put in the oven. And I've got 3 skewers which I'm going to put the chicken through. This is half a potato which will be the stand. Okay, so you can see I already started. So just put the chicken through here as is. Like so. There we have it. All the layers filled up. Put some pepper on top and some onions. All the flavour will join into the chicken. And I put the preheated the oven already for about 5-10 minutes on gas, and I'll cook this for about an hour to an hour and a half on gas mark 7. After about 40 minutes I'll check it and then rotate so both sides are cooked evenly. There we are, the chicken's in the oven now. Let's see if it's cooking, we'll check in and then another half an hour to 40 minutes. Our chicken shawarma is out of the oven and ready. I'm going to now cut it up and show you the inside. And there we are. Here's the chicken doner cut up. You can see nice and cooked. I've cut all the pieces up. As you can see, all this nice chicken. Thank you for watching. This is home cooking. This was chicken shawarma at home. Thank you very much.